Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in this video, I will show you how you copy Instagram profile URL link. So, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So, first here, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Now, once you're here, you can tap on the lower right corner, and here, just tap on Share Profile. Now this is going to open up a new window, and here you have an option to share your QR code, share your profile, or copy link. Now for this video, let's go ahead and tap on copy link. Now let's try if this really points out to my Instagram profile. Let's go ahead and open up Chrome browser, tap on new tab, and let's paste here the link. And there you have it. Now, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.